Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on the 2015 Toyota Prius V, and I just finished engine oil and filter change. This car, it's 3 years old, right? It has approximately 50,000 miles, and looking in the engine and being underneath the vehicle, there was nothing what needs to be maintained or repaired. The brakes are almost brand new, right? Because this Prius is using the hybrid system for braking if you use it correctly. So there's basically no work on it, but part of my inspection should be checking that air conditioner filter. So let's go do that together right now. Most of you know where it is located, right? It's behind those glove boxes in the Toyotas, so this one will be no exception. And glove box, it's easiest to be entered from the passenger side. Now this Prius has two glove boxes. It has the top one, right? You can see it here, and the bottom. We will be coming there through the bottom. Let me bring the light here. And Toyota keeps improving the things. So in past you had to remove that entire glove box, but look, in this 2015 Prius V they actually created such a door here for you, so you don't have to remove that whole glove box. Hopefully you can see nicely inside. If not, let me move the camera. And do you see that white housing right there inside? This is what we are going to open, and that's where that air conditioning filter is. So I will just push on the sides, on the tabs, right? This is it. This is what I was talking about. Here is even telling you up, right? So I can put it away. And let's see how the dealer and everybody was maintaining this vehicle. Look at the filter. It again gives you marks up and down. And what do you say? Is this catastrophic? Not, but the filter is definitely working, and it's contaminated, right? It got a bunch of dust and dirt, and I think this is on the edge, right? You can either recommend replacement. If you will recommend replacement, nobody should think that you are trying to scam them and upsell them for no reason. There's definitely dirt inside. And obviously how you install it. When you get a new one, right, hopefully original Toyota, you just follow these marks. This goes up, right? You put it in. In my case, I will just put it in the comments for the owner and tell them, hey, everything's perfect, except you can just start thinking about replacing that. Same here, right? This will go first, this area. This is where it clicks. So I will correctly insert it on that one side, and let's listen to that click. Did you hear that? Perfect. Now I will do 2 clicks for this area. Boom, boom. I can close the glove box, and we are done here. So you saw with me, this was super easy, right? Everybody can check that air conditioning filter by themselves and replace it if it's needed. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you are subscribed because I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.